Thank you, Mr. Speaker. So I thank Honorable Joseph Nunn for the question. A previous study examined a range of capacity focus improvements along the Labasa Town Road corridor with the objective of enhancing the management of current and projected traffic operations. The proposed interventions encompass both physical infrastructure upgrades and corridor-wide management and policy measures aimed at ensuring the long-term safety, efficiency and functionality of the transport network. Among the recommended options, the construction of a new southern bypass route around the town centre, combined with targeted capacity enhancements along Labasa Town Road, including the rationalization of on-street parking, was identified as a strategic solution that aligns strongly with the desired outcomes for corridor performance and mobility. The proposed southern bypass reduces travel distance for regional traffic. It requires a new bridge over Labasa River, and 4 new intersections with other major roads with an estimated approximate cost of $50 million. Yep. The corresponding point-to-point travel distance on the existing Nasekula Road is approximately 3.8 kilometers. Mr. Speaker, sir, the bypass plan has been facilitated as part of the project preparation and detailed design for 40 critical bridges and 3 jetties project with consultancy services provided or funded under the ADB, WB, TISSP, Asian Development Bank, World Bank Transport Infrastructure Investment Project. Designs are underway, targeting signing at end of year or first quarter in 2026. The current Labasa Bridge is also included in the bridge replacement program. In the meantime, a temporary Labasa Bridge access will connect to Siberia Road towards the new temporary Wulovi Bridge access located off Nomoli Road beside Batinakam School and will connect to Mbulelaka Road. Based on the current program of delivery for the above, investigation and design works are to be completed by the end of this year. Temporary bridges are determined as per on-site situation and has a design life of 5 years, which can also be easily upgraded to be permanent. Additionally, for the Labasa temporary bridge, the FRA has coordinated the land access consultation and attained the consent from the Labasa landowning unit, who owns the land on the Nangai end where the road realigns to the new bypass to connect Siberia Road. Thank you.